your content on streaming TV. You already have content that's amazing that people are responding to, that you are finding clients come to you, whether that's to a community, to a course, to purchasing, to buy your book, etc. And I have an amazing package for you. So I am opening 10 exclusive founding seats for Blooming Voices TV channel. It will be housed on BSpire TV, which I'll show you in a minute. When you put your content on streaming TV, it helps you to scale. You're no longer tied to the algorithms, and people are ready to sit and watch. When you sit on your couch on TV, people are ready to watch. And so I want to share with you how you can get found on Roku and Fire TV, that credibility, that enhanced authority, and also new monetizing options. So as you compare streaming options, the typical streaming package that we offer is 4 episodes a month at 149 to 300. Your own channel dedicated to your brand, 1,000 to 3,000 plus, and can go up beyond that. And for Blooming Voices TV, it will be a variety of content, so a variety uh, channel, and you get presence on TV, you get premium mastermind and coaching, and walking alongside with you, and then additional exposure and a lifetime rate lock. It's valued at almost $1,000, and really, I should just say 1,000 or over because we're going to have a launch, and there will be a lot of marketing for that at the founder price of $375 for the first 6 months. And you can renew it every 6 months at $375. So you can come here to the website. I'll provide that to claim your seat for that. The premium coaching has the mastermind weekly. It also includes early access to some of our level unlocks. It has all of the Meet the Expert recordings from the past and the future. This is the 2026 vault. As long as you're premium, you'll have access to the recordings. And then another level unlock of this one is the factors of success for streaming TV, what it takes to be successful, and the different factors that we work with. The streaming TV options is the different networks we're aligned with, and gets down into the nitty-gritty for those detail-oriented people, or for people that want to understand the context better, understand the options, if you want to have your own channel, etc. There's the mastermind that I mentioned. I also have a mini challenge that's available in the premium, and the streaming TV guided implementation. I have extra tools to help you think about and to work with your content to prepare it for streaming TV, and also different monetizing options. So there are, and then once you have a content on, then launching on BSpire. Actually, that should be in VIP at this point. Anyway, there's a lot of value in the premium. So you can jump into the premium membership, or you can join us in the founding price and have that included. So the premium membership is $35 a month. And so you can see you're getting a smoking deal. Come monetize. There's so many new ways to monetize when you take your content on TV. Don't have time to go into all of them here. I work with you and help you find the ones that fit for you. And then your credibility and authority improves. Sponsors may come to you and say, I want to sponsor your show. I want to be featured because you're on TV. We've already had one of our clients do that. And we also have, um, yeah, you get to a bigger audience. All of these networks have millions of views. And so, and I promised you I would show you BSpire TV and where we will be. So I will show you that. So BSpire TV, their web link is here. We will be on BSpire Originals and in one of these sections. And this is one of the clients that we have currently here. Nikisha has a talk show that she did locally that she put on national TV. And so, Blooming Voices TV will have an overall intro here and an intro video, and then your episodes would be featured here. 2 episodes, you can keep them up the same episode for the 6 months, or you can change it once a month and bring new content. And you can even leverage that with your clients or the people in your network. So again, I'm so excited. You have an important voice, and come be on this journey into TV and find new ways and new pathways of success.